Welcome back to our series about decision-making options in Wisconsin, presented by Davis & Pladel Law Firm. In this episode, we will be providing a walkthrough guide to powers of attorney. Before launching into the power of attorney process, you should ask yourself a few questions. First, does the person needing support understand that they need help with making important life decisions? Is the person willing to accept help and share some decision-making power? And finally, does the person understand the concept of a power of attorney? If the answer is yes to these questions, then the power of attorney may be appropriate for them. The first type of power of attorney is a financial power of attorney. This agreement is created when a person requires assistance with managing their finances and property. In the agreement, the creator is called the principal, and the financial power is transferred to the agent. The power of attorney is effective immediately unless the principal says otherwise, and it can become effective based on a finding of incapacity. The power of attorney lasts until death, but it is voluntary and can be revoked at any time. Finally, unless otherwise specified, the financial power of attorney is, quote, durable, meaning it is still valid even if the person becomes incapacitated. For a financial power of attorney to be approved, the person with a disability must express consent to the agreement. The person must be able to select a trusted agent, understand their basic finances like income and assets, and understand the powers they are transferring to the agent. It's important to know that there are a few cons of using a financial power of attorney. Most notably, the agreement is revocable at any time, which could leave the person without a decision maker. There is also no court oversight as a matter of course, leaving other vulnerabilities. The power of attorney is also not always accepted by banks and other financial institutions, and its validity can be challenged. The second type of power of attorney is the healthcare power of attorney. This is created to allow someone else to make decisions related to the person's healthcare. In this agreement, the creator who has a disability is named the quote principal, and the quote agent is the person chosen to make healthcare decisions for the principal. The principal must be at least 18 and of sound mind, meaning there has been no court finding of incompetence. The document must be voluntarily executed and takes effect upon a finding of incapacity by two healthcare providers who personally examine the principal and sign a statement saying the principal has incapacity. It's important to know that old age, eccentricity, or physical disability do not equal incapacity. Let's now talk about the powers a healthcare agent has. First, the agent must consistently act in good faith with the desires of the principal and with any valid living will. The power of attorney supersedes any directly conflicting provisions of a valid living will, and if the principal's desires are unknown, the agent shall act in the best interest of the principal. If necessary, the agent can also carry out wishes or sign documents, waivers, or releases related to the principal's medical care. In the case where the principal wishes to end the power of attorney, they may do so either by destroying the document or directing someone else to do so, writing, signing, and dating a revocation, verbally revoking in the presence of two witnesses, or executing a new healthcare power of attorney. Based on the info provided, are you interested in pursuing a power of attorney? Check out the resources in the caption of this video for more information, which include guides from the Guardianship Support Center, the State of Wisconsin Advanced Directives, and the Marquette Volunteer Legal Clinic. While this can be done on your own, it's important to note that the power of attorney process is often complex, so it's helpful to have an attorney on your side. If you're interested in a legal consultation about powers of attorney, contact Davis & Pladel by emailing us or visiting our website today.